Clearly I have problems here with this alternator because I've got my stuff turned on this car. Let's see, what else can I turn on? Roll the windows down, roll the windows up. You know, look at it, it's 11.8, 11.4, 11.3. That's the voltage that's being put out by the alternator with the fans on, the radio on, rear fan, front fan, full high. The windshield wipers, I just turned on the rear ones. What else can I turn on? I don't think it really much matters now. I mean, look at all these. Look at these numbers. Let's see, now the brights are on. You know, that's obviously a problem. Let's rev it up to 1500, see what goes on. It's 1500 about. 13.5 at 1500. 8.6. That's 1200. 1300. 1500. 1700. 2000. Get up around 2000, it jumps up to 13.9. Right down on 1500 though, it's 13.7. You let it go back down to idle, and it goes crash. 12.4, 12.3, 11.9. Everything turned on and 11.9 is a bad alternator, that would be my guess. That's, yeah, okay, alright. Well, that's a good data point to have. Let me turn some of this stuff off, see what happens. First of all, I'll turn off the rear thing. Okay, the rear system is now turned off. The fan is now been lowered. The lights have been, that's still piss poor, man. Look at that. 12? Really? Seriously? 12? Yikes. Looks like I'm going to be buying myself an alternator here maybe today. Maybe today. Wow, that's pretty awesome. Check this shit out. They won't like do shit. Okay. Yeah. Check it up to 1700. Russell should have still alive. Got the best shot to win because there were no runoffs, and he was the only African American candidate against 5 white candidates. And yeah, I think I've seen everything I need to see. Okay.